What up, y'all? It's your girl G, back with another video. I am extremely tired, but I am about to get in the shower, so that means I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare. Today I'll be using my new Geechee Black Soap 3-in-1 Clarify, Rejuvenate, and Restore Face Soap. So what I like about this bottle is that it has a brush on it already, so when you do pump it with your face, you can actually scrub your face with it as a light scrub. So let's get into it. Be careful. You want to shake it up a little bit and spray it in your hands, your clean hands at that, before you start spraying it on your face. You don't want to spray it in your eye or anything like that, but that's just my suggestion. I guess people do what works best for them. So I'm going to run a little bit of water, wet the tip a little bit. My hands are clean. And as you can see, it bubbles up a little bit. Put it on my face. Need a little more. I need to take my nose ring out. And I got to get my little baby edges, you know what I'm saying? They're in the way too. Get your lips if you choose to. You know, that's part of your face. Isn't she cute? And rinse, and you'll be good. What I'll do next is add some moisturizer to my face. And I'll be good for the rest of the night. Here you go. So if you guys like to purchase, it is available on my website. It's under the skincare, I believe skin oil, face soap. So you'll find it under there with amongst many other facial soap and hair care, skincare items that I do have. And get your this on. Get you some of that glowy glow. So I do have another product that I will be releasing as soon as I can. And I'm excited about that as well. So you guys take care, stay safe, and stay COVID free.